everyone! Welcome back to Alexa's Garden. In today's video, I'll show you how I grow Benary's giant zinnias for cut flowers and beautiful bouquets. This spring, I bought professional quality Benary's giant Zinnia elegans seeds. This is a premium variety developed by the German breeding company Benary. I chose the mixed color seed pack because I wanted a reliable way to grow stunning flowers for bouquets. I started the seeds indoors in mid-April. And the first seedlings appeared just 5 days later. These zinnias are incredibly vigorous and fast-growing. Within only 3 weeks, they were ready to be transplanted into the garden, where they quickly started developing a strong root system. Today is July 4th. And my zinnias are blooming beautifully. They're producing gorgeous flowers that look amazing in fresh bouquets. Now, let me tell you a little more about this wonderful variety. Benary's Giant is an elegant, premium series known for its incredible range of vibrant colors and impressive flower production. The blooms are huge, fully double flowers measuring about 4 to 5 inches, 10 to 13 centimeters across. They grow on tall, sturdy stems, making them perfect for cutting. Each plant produces lots of side shoots, which means you'll enjoy flowers continuously over a long blooming season. Here are some of the main characteristics of Benary's giant Zinnia elegans. Brand, Benary, Germany. Seed type, raw, non-pelleted seeds. Plant height, about 3 to 4 feet, 90 to 100 centimeters. Sowing season, spring. These zinnias grow into large, vigorous plants that look fantastic in the back of flower beds. They're also one of the best varieties for cut flowers and bouquet arrangements. Blooming starts around mid-June and continues all the way until the first fall frost. If you'd like earlier blooms, it's best to start the seeds indoors in March or early April. I got a slightly later start this year, but they still began flowering right on schedule. Sow the seeds about 1/2 inch, 1 centimeter deep. Seedlings usually emerge within 4 to 6 days. If you start your seeds in March and the weather is still too cool, you'll probably need to transplant the seedlings into individual pots before moving them outside. Plant them in the garden only after all danger of frost has passed and the soil has warmed to at least 54 degrees Fahrenheit. You can also sow zinnia seeds directly outdoors without starting seedlings indoors. If you live in USDA Hardiness Zone 5, like I do, you can sow the seeds outside in late April or early May. Just keep in mind that direct sown plants will start blooming a little later. Zinnias love warm weather. They grow best in full sun, fertile soil, and with regular, generous watering. Now, let me show you the beautiful colors you can expect from Benary's giant zinnias. Aren't they absolutely gorgeous? Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again in the next video.